Hi, I'm Allred. Welcome to Inspired by Pinterest, where I browse around Pinterest looking for amazing ideas from crafters and bloggers from around the world and bring them to life in each week's episode. Today I am super excited to be back with you and discovering Pinterest all over again. As you know, I've been out for a couple of months. I had surgery back in December. And I thought I lost my crafty mojo. So what did I do? I went to Pinterest. I started on one of my favorite boards that I haven't had a chance to do a show about. And as you can tell, it's about paper straws. And so as I have this thing about paper straws, they're super cute and people use them in their drink glasses. They're not good to drink out of. They go soggy. I've had them at parties and I think they're super cute for about 15 minutes and then they get a little soggy. But they're adorable to craft with, and I could not stop. So I do have a pin board that I'm going to reference you to. It's just called Paper Straws, and there's some amazing fun ideas in there. So be sure to check it out. Today I'm not going to reference any specific pin because I just went a little crazy after being inspired and tried out a bunch. So if you go to my blog, allreddesign.net, I will actually pin to the direct link for some of these project ideas that'll walk you through how to do them because I don't have time to go through how to do each one. So let's go through the projects real quick that inspired me. My friend Andrea and I got together and she made this darling N just on a plaque of wood by cutting out the straws to make the initial of her daughter Noelle. What I loved is it was super simple. We actually printed off a big N so that she had a guide and then cut them down and put them on the paper, but then she glued them in place on the board. Super easy. I think she threw it together in about 30 minutes. And this is going to hang proudly in Noelle's room. So we're super excited about that. And then, of course, you guys have all remembered, we've done past episodes about darling straw banners, or little banners. And these are super fun. We do get asked quite often what kind of needle and thread you use. I love using just twine. I love these cute doodlebug assortments of twine because then I have one of every color. And then I just bought a package of, it looks like yarn darner needles. And they have different sizes. They work great. They punch, they're sharp enough to go straight through the straw. And just keep adding to your cute little banner. And when they hang, what I love about these is they twist, and so you get that cute dimension like you do on this section. So, and I just punch right through it. After a while, your thumb's going to get a little tired, so I cheat and push down and just keep threading them on. Super simple, and I did that for this one. And then we have this really adorable one where I found these cute eggs at Hobby Lobby that are plastic. So they're soft, so the needle went right through them. And then I strung the straws horizontal instead of vertical. And this one was this is my inspiration. I wanted a carrot one for Easter. So I took orange straws and I cut the tops off the green to look a little bit like the tops of a carrot to create that cute banner. And I just thought that turned out really cute, and it took me a while because I had to put them together, but that's all right. Who cares? Okay, paper straws come in all shapes and sizes, and what I love is you can pick them up just about anywhere. Your general crafting store, party store, Target, hobby store. Online has a ton. I even bought some of mine on Amazon. In fact, I made this darling wreath, let me grab it, out of a box of birch paper straws. And what I loved about them is they came with 144 straws, and I actually used all 144 straws on this wreath. So, and I cut them on different sizes and then layered them. So I had 2 different layers and then just glittered my initial and added that to the front. That's gonna look really awesome on my red front door, don't you think? So I was really excited about that. Now, when I say sizes, they have this really fun, here's a few. So they have this really fun jumbo size, and I've only seen them in the stripe. And then dots, solid stripes, cute chevron ones. These are some of my favorites. Now, I actually found this amazing website to get straws from. It's called justartifacts.net, I believe. And I could pick up a package of just 25 for $2. Now, if those of you who shop for paper straws know that's a killer deal. And sometimes you don't need 144 straws. The boxes of 144 straws look like this, and I'm going to have those for a really long time. So I went a little crazy because I could get such a variety of straws by shopping on that Just Artifacts website. So a couple of the projects really quick that I absolutely fell in love with, and I have a pin on my board for this one, are these cute little easels. and they're just made with straws and hot glue. Super easy. Just imagine if you're doing a candy bar and you wanted to label, and you can make them as big or as small as you want, just out of multiple straws. Super easy and fun to do. And I just thought they were cute and would be cute to put all over for, say, a party or something. And then my other all-time favorite idea were these cute little picture hangers done from straws. And I thought how cute, you could do it with a photo or a quote. Just run some twine through it. Now they're super simple, and I've discovered a couple things about doing them. Here I have a really cute quote I found online, and I put one straw in it. Now I did try an X-Acto knife. The problem with an X-Acto knife is I couldn't get it to cut straight. It just kept kind of curving with the straw. So I found just a pair of sharp scissors worked great, and I just would simply force it through. Sometimes you can finally catch that where it's sharp enough. It doesn't have to be perfect. You just want it as straight as you can get it. So now that I've cut a slit, it fits right, our photograph fits right in there. And then I just take my scissors and trim it off a little bit. Now, if you're wanting to add the twine, I suggest pulling that off, looping the twine through it, and then feeding it back on. And then I added a little touch of hot glue in mine just to make sure they didn't come apart. But I just love the way that finishes it off, and you get these really cute projects with straws. And now seriously, I could go on and on. There's so many cute ideas on my board. So be sure to check out paper straws on Pinterest. If you're not following me there. And you can also check out my blog, allreddesign.net. And I'm so excited to be back, and I'll see you next week.